Let us start the cleaning process, cleaning procedure. Close your eyes, sit in a comfortable posture. Just observe your breathing. No need to do anything. You just see that you're inhaling and exhaling. You just observe the breathing. No need to change the rhythm of the breathing. Continue the same rhythm of breathing, whatever you're breathing. Let the thoughts come and go. No need to control the thoughts. It is the nature of the mind to be busy with the thoughts. Now slowly and comfortably breathe in and slowly and comfortably breathe out. Slowly breathing in, slowly breathing out. Make it as comfortable as possible. With every exhalation, you are getting more and more relaxed. See that whole body is relaxed. If you find any kind of discomfort, disease, or pain in any part of the body, take all your attention to that particular part of the body, and if you wish, you can gently touch that part of the body and say, "Thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you." If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Now see that whole body is relaxed. You are sitting in a most comfortable posture. If you're finding any kind of discomfort, just try to change the posture you are sitting. Sit in a most comfortable position and observe your breathing. Now I am going to take you to one of the most important relationships in our life, which is more important than any other physical relationships you have. It is the most important relationship between your conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Conscious mind is the mother aspect. Subconscious mind is the child, the inner child. Just take your attention to your inner child, the subconscious mind, and say, for the first time in the creation, I am acknowledging your presence in me. For the first time in the creation, I am acknowledging your presence in me. Thank you. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being part of me. I am sorry for not acknowledging your presence in me. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry that I was not aware of your presence in me. Please forgive me. Thank you for being part of me. Thank you. I love you. Now ask the permission of the child to gently stroke the head of the child, inner child, your own being, your own inner child, your own being. Please allow me. Please allow me to gently stroke your head with love and concern. Please allow me. Now you just see that you are gently stroking the head of the child with your hand, palm, with unconditional love and concern. No need to imagine anything, no need to do anything. You just see that your hand is gently stroking the head of the child by saying, thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. Express your gratitude and love, the unconditional love. The way mother takes care of the newborn baby with unconditional love. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being part of me. Thank you. I love you. Now ask the permission of the child to hug the child, gently hug the child with love and concern. Before doing anything, whether stroking the hand, stroking the head, or hugging the child, you need to ask the permission of the child. Otherwise, child gets frightened. Please allow me to gently hug you with love and concern. Please allow me. Now you just see that you are hugging the child gently with love and concern. the unconditional love. Say thank you, I love you. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being part of me. I am sorry for not taking good care of you. I am sorry for not taking care of you. Please forgive me. Yes, it is only the memories which are stored in this child, the subconscious mind, the inner child, which are replaying as the outside problems. When these memories start replaying, the child is going through a lot of pain, sorrow, suffering. For that, you need to ask forgiveness. I am sorry for all the accumulated memories stored in you, which are causing you this pain, sorrow, and suffering. Because whatever the child is going through, the same is getting reflected in your life as the outside problem. Ask for forgiveness. I am sorry. I am sorry for creating, generating, and accepting and accumulating all the memories stored in you, which are causing you all the pain, sorrow, suffering. Please, please forgive me. Please forgive me. And if you don't mind, please let go of all the accumulated memories which are causing this pain, sorrow, and suffering. Thank you. I love you. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being part of me. Thank you for guiding me. Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you. I love you. Now ask the permission to stroke the hands of the child. Please allow me to gently stroke your hands and show me whichever the hand you want to give first. When the child shows the hand, you gently stroke that hand by saying thank you, I love you, thank you, I love you. Now ask the permission of the child to stroke the another hand. Please allow me to stroke, gently stroke the another hand with love and concern. Once the child gives the hand, gently stroke the hand with love and concern. Thank you. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being part of me. Thank you. I love you. Now, just think of whatever you want to clean on, any difficulty or the problem you're going through, whether it is financial, relation, health, psychological, physical health, whatever the difficulty or any thought disturbing you, it is only the subconscious memory stored in this child replaying as the outside problem. Ask the child, I am sorry for all the memories stored in you, which are replaying as this present issue which I am going through. This present, the problem or the present issue, the present problem. Please forgive me. And if you don't mind, please let go of all the memories stored in you, which are replaying as this particular problem or the issue which I'm going through. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. Thank you. I love you. It is just the memories stored in you, which are now replaying as this problem. And I don't know what the memories are. I don't even want to know what the memories are replaying as this problem. But you know, please forgive me. And if you don't mind, please release the memories stored in you, which are replaying as this issue or this problem. Thank you. I love you. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being part of. Like this, for whatever the problem you're going through, you can ask the forgiveness of the child and ask the child to release the memories which are replaying as this particular problem. Now taking your attention to the inner child. Thank you for being with me. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for guiding me. Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for protecting me. Thank you. I love you. Just not just saying that I love you. Say in such a way that child can feel your love. As the mother talking to newborn baby. Mother knows newborn baby that I don't know whether mother knows or not. Aware child will be able to understand the words and all, but I'm not clear. But the mother speaks to the newborn baby in an unconditional loving way. Even though child is not able to understand the words of the mother, what she's saying, the child can feel the mother's love, unconditional love. Like that, you express your love to the inner child. I love you. Childs, children, and always mother, like to see mother's face, cheerful, smiling. Express your all your love, unconditional love. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being part of me. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. See that your child, your own child, the inner child, the subconscious mind is happy, smiling, cheerful. Once it is done, you can open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Now it's time